What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Here's a cutie. Here's a cutie. Here's a cutie. Here's a cutie. Eh? Hey. Are you not relaxing? You've had a long day of playing. Haven't you? You've had a long day of playing. What do you say to the camera? Huh? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Trying to get her to relax after a long day of playing with his other dog that comes up through the day when my mum goes to work. So please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. What? Are you talking? You can tell. Tell them then. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you not see me properly? Yeah? Are we playing? Can I move? Is this what you want? Don't want to give you too many treats, eh? No, we don't want to give you too many. Don't want you getting fat. There's a big girl, eh? You're full of it tonight, girl. Here you are. Are you playing? Yeah?
Whatever goes down, I just want you to know I love you, and I'm so happy that this is a family. Hit that subscribe button. You guys will be up to date with whatever we decide to do. Deuces.
Oh, playing. Is it nice? Is that nice? Who is it, Jess? Huh? You've got a lot of nicknames, girl. You have. You've got Dissy Wissy. And you've got a few more, haven't you?